Hey y'all, it's Nathaniel Buckshot from 1234 Doors TV, and on this episode we're headed down to do some nighttime paddling at a Cumberland Mountain State Park in Crossville, Tennessee. This is going to be just an event that they had, so yeah. Here in Figure Joe, let's begin, shall we? I'm Nathaniel Buckshot, and you're watching 1234 Outdoors TV. Alright, we're over here at Cumberland Mountain State Park. We're going to go out for a nighttime float. The sky is getting kind of dark. A lot of people out here fishing. I fished out here before. But yeah, it's getting evening right now. It's about 7:40ish, I'd say. So dark hour is 7:59. So yeah, 8 o'clock ish.
Eating watermelon with a banner on. I think if it's not that one, it's the next one over. You're so welcome.
Mom, look up.
Okay, I got you.
Sorry. Yeah. I told you that, Mom. You need to get your phone away. Thank you, sir. Sorry about that. Yeah, how this is gonna go is, and Mom, listen to this as I talk to the camera. How this is gonna go is they basically just talk about like the history and stuff about this place, and we're gonna go paddle around, and when it gets darker, and do a tour. So this should be pretty cool, right? Let me know in the comments what y'all think. I'm glad I took my vest off for all that stuff that went down. Am I right, you guys?
On the other side is cabin 17A, 17B, 14's over there, 13's over there. It looks like it all just jammed up, you know? Well, that's actually because it's in chronological order. So cabin number 1's the oldest, and it goes into the youngest cabin. So they were spaced out originally, and then later on they went and just put them in. And if you continue on, what cabin are y'all at?
Timber lodge.
Ooh, cool, the timber lodges. Those were actually built to be temporary lodges back in the day.
I'm surprised.
Yeah. So those red lodges. But if you continue like 20 to 28, those are actually built. Those are the duplex cabins, or the other duplex cabins. They were built in 1975. So those were the newest ones that we used to have. And then, of course, if you continue down that path and get to the very end, and at the very end there's a cabin there called Coon Hollow Cabin. Does anybody know the story of Coon Hollow Cabin? That's awesome. Okay, I need to tell a little bit about Coon Hollow Cabin. So, just to
Record here. There we go. Ooh, we a little tipsy here. There we go. Oh yeah.
I don't know which way I'm supposed to be.
Oh.
Are we turning this the other way?
I gotta go around the opposite direction, it looks like.
Yeah, you're supposed to face, both are supposed to face the opposite.
Hang on. Let me get this fixed up here.
To maintain a swimming area like that.
Yeah,
A lot of people say because the water quality of it, but I always would say it's a electrolyte.
Bats.
So in a swimming pool, it's more contained area, but an area like this, it is very hard to find people
Mosquitoes.
if they do go under. And there was, like, of course, some injuries with the boat dock, or the diving dock. Yeah. Oh, it's from human beings. Yeah, so we spread it from thing to thing when we walk through. That's why they have you have to like wash it. There's two different kind of groups of your periodic cicadas. And I think it was 2024 that we had like two different groups that were both coming off the ground at the same time. They spend most of their life like up to 20 years underground, and they'll emerge for the summer. They'll climb the tree, they'll shed their skin, they'll mate, they'll breed, they'll lay an egg, and then they'll die. And so that's pretty much like you'll see like big numbers of cicadas all coming out at once, and then maybe years where you don't have much cicadas because a lot of the birds their season doesn't align.
Thanks for watching this episode of 123 Doors TV. Yeah, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, this was a fun trip we did. It was back in June, so yeah. And also last night was my birthday, since I was filming this in August. And yeah, remember new videos come out one new trip video each month on Fridays, and one YouTube short. Yeah, well, Facebook has shorts too, but one of those on once a month too on Fridays. So yeah. See ya. Bye. What are you still doing here? Bye. Come on, go away.